So since partnering with Jet-Lube, we've noticed a lot of challenges associated with supply chain be mitigated. Jet-Lube has guaranteed product on their shelves and has eliminated a lot of the logistics usually encountered with supply chain products.
We have seen rigs reduce their downtime. The threads on the pipe they're not having as many issues, and our customers are overall extremely happy since standardizing on Jet-Lube.
I would say the quality of the products that Jet-Lube provides is what distinguishes their product from any other products off the shelf. We've noticed more longevity with the rigs and a lot more reoccurring purchases with our customers through Jet-Lube products.
Our clients know that we will always have this product on shelf, and they know that it's going to be the same consistency no matter what. They know that they can trust the product that's being delivered, and that with that trust, they have trust in us.
Initially, upon onboarding Jet-Lube, we started with very low product volumes as a proof of concept and test run. These customers repurchased the product and exponentially increased their order intake. Thereby, we started forecasting and planning ahead of time, essentially based on pallet quantities rather than individual pails based on our demand. So once the word essentially gets out amongst the rigs and our customers that we're offering Jet-Lube and the success that they've had on their rigs, it becomes contagious, and other customers and other rigs start expanding their product line and wanting to use Jet-Lube products.
They are all very happy. They're not running into the issues.
So definitely top shelf quality for sure. Definitely top shelf.